Precise, flexible, flawless, a direct imaging subsystem, bringing the future of maskless lithography to machine builders and toolmakers. Developed by Visitech. Using laser or LEDs with 4 different UV wavelengths, this is the world's most advanced field-proven DI subsystem. Designed to fit any machine and deliver. Flexibility and scalability is essential in driving the industry forward. Our solution suits all applications, from mass PCB and panel production to our fine-line semicon and advanced packaging applications. We provide a system for every need and requirement. A DMD-based system. This is a fully digital process enabling real-time positioning, scaling, warping, even rerouting down to 2.5 micrometers line space. Our expertise is in the world of sub-micrometers, where power and throughput, precision and accuracy meets flexibility and scalability. Visitech. Creating images together.